Repairable liquid metal, silver, hydrogel composite conductors for three-dimensional printing. Repairable liquid metal, silver, hydrogel composite conductors enable flexible and self-healing electrical circuits for three-dimensional printing. They combine high conductivity, stretchability, and reusability, making them ideal for wearable electronics and soft robotics. This innovation enhances durability and sustainability in next-generation electronic devices. Nominations are open now at International Research Awards on composite materials. Visit our website, composite.sciencefather.com. Subscribe now for more informations.